Okay, so till table we have seen, and we have created one template also, basic template. This one was the basic template. In that table, padding, margin, image tag, image classes, table classes, rounded, all was revised. Now we are going to work on next feature, that is called list group and card. List group and card. Come to the developer guide right there. For left side navigation, classes for left navigation. Classes for left navigation. Classes for left navigation. What are that? We have a class called list group. List group. List group. After that, in the list group only, we have a class called list hyphen group hyphen item. Then we have a class called list hyphen group hyphen item will remain same. Then we'll have a class called active. Active. This is for list group. So we will implement it first, then we'll come back to the next. You will create a file called listgroup.html. Listgroup.html. You can create a new file. So till here, till body you can copy from previous file, till body remains same always. BG primary we can remove from here. Little bit background is a default color. Next body will be closed, and after that HTML will be closed. Inside this div class equal to container empty3. Close the div. File name list group. List group.html. Okay. Container will have a division. Class row. Under the row, you will follow the division again. Call LG. You can write. Call LG3 and call LG9. 3 and 9. Call LG3, 9. We'll go for the 3 first. We'll follow the UL tag and LI tag. List of category. Let's go ahead, add some category name. Eli marketing. Next Eli banking. Next Eli travels. Next Eli IT software. Next Eli video call center. Next Eli retail. Now, if you run this build without CSS, it will look like very plain, normal HTML, how it appears. You can say normal text is coming like is a unordered list. Now Bootstrap has given a class called list group. List group will go for the UL list hyphen group. Will go for the UL. For LI, we will apply class equal to list group item. list hyphen group hyphen item. This you will write for all the li. Since all the li look similar, all the li look similar. Check now how that look. Something like this. Look got change. Now we have a class called active. Active class. Active class will apply to the first one. It will look below here. Active. It will look blue color. Added active class. Coming blue color. This is called list group. We can place anywhere, left, right, in center, wherever we want. We can display this kind of. Hope looks similar or something else. Yes, no should come. We'll go to the 9. Under the 9, we will add one H3. Under the H3, we'll write call card in Bootstrap. Card in Bootstrap. Card in Bootstrap. For this, you can change the color. Text type and primary. This will also appear in blue color. Okay, next we'll make a note for the what are the classes of card we have in developer guide. Classes for card. Classes for card. We have one class called card. Inside the card, you can follow a class called card hyphen header. Next class card hyphen body. Next class card hyphen footer. These four classes: card, card header, card body, card footer. Now we'll come to the same file, list group file only. We will implement the card also. Inside the 9, now suppose inside the 9, you want to create two block here in the right hand side. We want to create two block. So inside the 9, directly you cannot create the two columns. So Bootstrap says like you have follow the columns, you have follow the rows. So first we have follow the row here. Inside the row we follow the columns, two columns. Now inside the second column, that is called 9, here 9, we want to make 2-3 rows. So directly you cannot write the column inside, like column inside column we cannot write. In case if you required inside a column, if you want to break multiple rows, for example, suppose if I come to the MS Paint here and suppose this is a row, this is one row. Inside one row, you have made two columns, 3 and 9. Two columns is ready. Now inside the 9, this is the 9. Let me write here. This is for your 3 and this is for your 9. 3 and 9. Okay. Under the 9, suppose you want to create again multiple rows, like first row, second row, first column, second column, third column. This is in one row. Again here, one more row. Right? So this. So what is this? Like you can say 3 is separate, 9 is separate. Inside the 9 again you are going to create how many rows? 2 rows. And each row will have 3 columns, like 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4. Okay. So inside the column again we can create the row. But inside the column we cannot create the column. It will not consider as a column. Okay. Bootstrap says like inside the column you can create again column, no problem. But inside the column, directly column you can't create. You have to first follow the row and then create the column. So that we are going to follow here now. Inside the 9, we wanted to make 2-3 rows. So for that, let's follow. But you need to write a comment here, 9 end. 9 and write one more comment below. Row end. 9 and row end. Okay, 9 and row end. Now go for the 9. Now go inside, follow a division. Class equal to row. Class equal to row. Inside the row, you will write a comment here. Row 1 and inner level row. Inner level row and now inside the row what will follow? Column division class equal to call hyphen lg hyphen 6. Inside the 6 you will follow the division class equal to call hyphen lg hyphen here card will come class equal to card. Under the card you will follow the 3 division card header, card header, card header, card body, card footer, card body, card footer. Now under the card header, you will write here call new message. Under the card body, write something. Text message. Text you can write 2-3 lines. Card footer. Shipments. something like this. That is called card. CARD, card. See, division, number of division is increasing. Should not worry on that point. Just remember, if you align properly code, then you will get to know this is the division, open here, this close here, open, close. That only. Else, this all are ready-made code. You are not writing any class from your side. We have to remember, yes, card is the main class, card header is the first one, cards body is the second one, card footer is the last one. Okay, look same. Anything is coming like this. It has multiple color combination. We can write here one. 6 you copy, paste below. Call LG6 you copy, just paste below and write there. Card header is okay. You will write here BG-danger. Or maybe BG-danger to write. BG danger we have a class, and BG danger is a class, no, red color. Then text hyphen white, BG danger text white. So background of the header will be red color and the text inside the header will come in the which color? White color. Check now, red header will generate. It will generate the red header. Red header, something like this. Red header, second one. This is the default one. This is the red one. Because we have followed a class called BG danger. Similar way, we have many classes: danger, success, info, warning, secondary, BG white. All level up we have, we can apply here. So here is both the 6, first 6, second 6. Both are the part of 9. We will create one more example. Look like some people confused. Okay, so go ahead and leave this file and create another file. I will share you this completely list group file. Inside we have follow the row. Under the row we follow the columns. 2 column, 6 and 6. But this row is the part of 9. It is inside the 9. 9 again is a part of row. Row is the part of container. So first row will divide into 3 9. Inside the 9 again, you follow the row, and the row you are breaking into 6 and 6. Half and half. Create next file. Card.html. Separate file itself. In that we'll create some 3-4 types of card. List group file I will send in your chat. Next file card.html. Till container we can copy from this file. Till container remains same. Close the container, close the body, close the HTML, save the file. Card.html. Follow a div, class row, under the row you will follow a division, class on lg4, and you will write a comment for end here. For lg4 for end here. Okay, hope 4 is ready. Now let's go inside the 4. Follow a division, class equal to card. Class equal to card. Under the card class, again you will have division, card header, card body, and card footer. Card body, card footer, header, body, footer. Okay, now after that, under the card header, you will write something. Today update. Card body, you can write some text. Card footer, simple as a footer. One card, default card. This become your default card with no much HTML. Check now. So hope we get a basic card. Something like today updates. In this here, if we increase some text, then it will look much meaningful. So under the card body, we can write some 2-3 lines. 2, 3, 4 lines. Your call LG4 is over. Something like this. Some text got increased. So body look meaningful now. Now you will copy the same call LG4. Copy the same call LG4. Paste after this. Card header, card body, card footer. Only 3-4 classes only. In that color combination you can change. Call LG4 you can copy. Paste after this. And BG-header. BG-primary. And text-white. BG primary text white. Background will come as a blue color of header. Getting the blue color? Correct? Yes, no, बताइए. Yes, no reply should come. Are you getting the similar block or going overlap or here there? Call LG4 to 4. I can share you in the chat. Call LG4 is shared in the chat. Complete call LG4 to call LG4. Next, create one more call LG4. That will be BG-success. Text white only. So 3 call LG4 we kept in one line. Go ahead, check once. It is coming in green color. So this row is end. We can create one more row. This row end here. Row end. Create another row. Division. Class equal to row. Empty 3 or 4 you can give. In that you will write division class equal to call hyphen LG-4 again. In that core, again card to card you can copy paste. Card to card we can copy. We can add here again and change the class name as a something. Danger. Red color will come. Then two more you can add, info and secondary. Add two more, info and secondary. Coming, red color, add two more, call LG4. You should keep comment here, 4 end. 4 end. Next after that, bg-info. Again, one more call LG4. bg-secondary. Call LG4 we can copy and paste and we can change the class name. bg-warning also we can add. Text let it be white everywhere 3-4 times. So it will look like, okay, these all type of designs we have, color combination we have, we can use that. Clear? Let's go ahead. So card functionality is over. Next will work for table card image. Next we have called buttons, button and button group. Like Bootstrap has given different type of button. So when we are designing the form, inside the form we can follow the different type of button. Classes, simply can write a heading called form in Bootstrap. Form in Bootstrap. First you write the classes per button. Classes for button. Classes for button. Okay, so right for button, the main class is called BTN. After that, we have multiple color combination. BTN hyphen primary, danger, success, info, warning, secondary, white. BTN hyphen danger, red color will come. BTN hyphen primary, blue color will come. BTN hyphen info, sky blue will come. BTN hyphen success, green color will come. BTN hyphen secondary, gray color will come. BTN hyphen warning, yellow color will come. BTN hyphen white color will come. BTN hyphen light, not white. And BTN hyphen dark, black color will come. These all are the button classes. So ready? Now we'll create a file button.html. We have in the button group also. We can add here button group, a class called button group, btn hyphen group, and this all you can copy and keep here, and you can write the class called btn hyphen outline hyphen primary. Outline will come in that with a border. There is nothing best practice or bad practice. This is the library. If you want to learn, you can learn. According to project, you have to follow. If they will ask to write the bootstrap, use the bootstrap. If they'll ask to write your own CSS, write your own CSS. First, for best practice, we have learned CSS or not? We have learned CSS. No? Now for bad practice, learn the bootstrap also. We have not escaped the CSS, we have followed the CSS.
No, sir, I'm not talking about the syllabus. My question was, when same thing can be achieved through Bootstrap, or rather, right, then how do we decide for ourselves? Like for this requirement, I'll go and write my own CSS, and for this, I would probably pick and choose Bootstrap. So that I'm talking about the decision part.
Client will
When
decide. Client will decide, yes, don't use Bootstrap. Client will say, yes, you can use Bootstrap. Or the top level people who is architect, they will decide, yes, we can use Bootstrap, we cannot use Bootstrap. As a developer, we will not have any option. Whatever the top level people will decide, we can use it. Or suppose you will become architect, you need to decide, yes, you want to use the Bootstrap or not. Now suppose you are a architect, okay, and a person want to design page like this, okay. If you follow the Bootstrap, how long time it took? 15 minutes to design the page like this. If you want to write your own CSS, how long it will take? 1 hour it will take to write the CSS. Now depend on the client. No, client will say don't take long time. Deliver today only. So what you will say? You have 1 hour time or you have 10 minutes time. The client budget plus their time will decide. Yes, we should go with the ready-made CSS or we should use our own CSS. Budget of the client, time duration, many things matter. Okay, then only the people, if we say technology wise, which technology we should use? We should go for Java, Python. As a developer, you are not going to design. No? The requirements will decide the people who are going to discuss. Yes, if I'm doing in Java, how long it will take? If I'm doing in Python, how long it will take? If I'm doing in PHP, how long it will take? Right. So according to client budget and time duration, the estimation of the project will come. How many people should work on the project? What is the budget? How long it will take? What should be the cost of each developer? That developer cannot decide. Who will decide? The people who take in the project, people who discuss with the client, the people who the client who is going to pay the money for that, he is going to decide. Yes, you hire the developer 1 year experience only because work is easy work. You hire 10-year experience developer. Why? The work is difficult work. So technology plus customization, developer is not going to decide. If suppose if I work on a project, my manager will say, okay, don't use this, don't use this. Manager has not decided. It was decided by the meeting. It was decided with the client. Correct. Now manager is asking, okay, don't use the table, don't use this one. Use the particular. Means that was under the discussion. Okay. Oh, clear. So indirectly, we are not going to, as a developer, you will have a list of content in your mind, list of technology in your mind. Whichever the requirement will come, you will apply in that. Suppose you use the Bootstrap, but the client is saying, why use Bootstrap? My project is not based on Bootstrap. Then what will happen? Problem will come. If everyone have follow the Bootstrap, you started writing your own. Everyone will deliver, all the developer will deliver in 1 day, you will take 3 days. All will come to your head. We are following Bootstrap, why you wrote your own? Correct. If you wrote your own, so many problem will come. This application is already tested. So depend on what is your requirement and what was the discussion and other things also. Then only the people decide, yes, I should go for the ready-made library or I should use our own library. So hope written the card. Let's come. Bootstrap, the button you have written, btn outline primary, btn hyphens. Okay, now we'll create a file called button.html. There is a many companies, many team where the people are working there. They know CSS, but they don't know Bootstrap. So what they'll do is they will not expose this feature with the top level management. Okay, they will not expose this feature. They will spend long time. They want to survive in that only. Okay, a junior developer will come and he will write a functionality using Bootstrap, and then everyone will get to know, are very awesome feature, yeah. Correct. Now from top to bottom, everyone will get scolded by the managers or maybe CEO or director, saying like the such feature is exist in the market. You people are spending 3 days time to design only. Right? So many places I have sent the people they are working. So the 6 7 years people who having no idea on CSS or maybe Bootstrap or new feature, new technology, they were dragging the project in the old technique only. Okay. Then the sub junior developer joined and they designed some mock-up, some kind of design they created for demo and they given the demo to the client. Client were impressed, saying, awesome, yeah. Why you are writing your own? Why you are spending long time? Leave all, follow this particular library. So what will happen there? It will save the time. Correct? Bootstrap is not going to cost anything from the client. It's a free of cost library. Okay. So what we follow is uh, button. Nowadays on internet, you open the website. If you open 100 website in that, 90 website will be using the Bootstrap features. 90 website, 90 application will be using the Bootstrap features. Division, class row, division. With React, people use the material. With Angular, people use the material design. All are based on Bootstrap only. You cannot leave them. Not by the left hand, by the right hand, you have to use it. Okay, so right here, call icon LG-12. People say will not use the jQuery. People say will not use the jQuery, will use Angular and React. Once you go in Angular and React, some libraries are in such a way like material design. Okay, material design best for UI for Angular and React. So once you install the material design, including that Angular jQuery will come together. Bootstrap will come together. So indirectly you are going to use that, but you will say, no, I'm not using, I'm using something else. Or other inside the same thing is there. Okay, right. H3, Bootstrap, buttons. Button example. Text center, and for this you will write the class equal to text primary and M3. Text primary and M3. Okay, hope written. So it should print in the center. Text center is the class, it will print in the middle. Text center is the class, it will print in the middle. Now come after that, write a button. Write a button called primary. Primary. Class equal to btn hyphen primary. Next btn danger. Button is coming. Different design. Next, after that, we have many types of button. You can use all. Button copy paste 3-4 times. Change the classes. Call info. We can write here info. Next is called success. Success. Next is called warning. Different color combination we have. Warning. Next is called secondary. Entry, primary, danger, success, info, warning, defense. Danger, secondary. Sequence. Different color combination. Oh, all I have put is danger only. I have not saved the file. Different color combination. Now you write button group. After this 12, write a H3. Called button group. Button group. In that, you will follow a table. Class equal to btn hyphen group. Btn hyphen group. btn hyphen group. In that btn group, these 6 buttons we can copy and paste again. This all the buttons we can copy and paste again here. And check how is that. Something like this. Next, after that, we can create the button with the outline border. So write again H3 below. Button with outline. Button with outline. Button with outline. So there you will write a primary button, and for that you will apply a class called btn hyphen outline hyphen primary. That's it. Any outer line is coming. See, button is coming, but there is a outline. Outline in the sense kind of a border. Same thing we can repeat here 3-4 times and change the classes. Danger. Change the class called warning. Change the class called success. Change the class called info. It will give a different color combination. Danger. This is called warning. This is called success. This is called info. Okay. This is which class I follow last? I follow INF. Double N happen. See info. So this is called button outline. So this kind of design of button also is available. Button without a space also you can do. Button with a space also you can do. Okay. Now we need to see the next class called form related. Forms classes, and after that forms and button you will combine together. So come to the developer guide again. Right here, classes for form. Classes for form. We have a class called form hyphen control. Then for size related. For size related, for different. Okay, so this form control is applicable for where it is applicable for text. Type as a text, type as a number, type as a email, type as a, you can say select, for file also, for text area also, text, number, email, select, file, text area. Okay, and you will not use for the radio button and checkbox. And for this different size are there for different size. For different size, what are the size are there? Dot form control hyphen sm md and lg. MD is the default size, default height. LG will be different. SM will be a smaller little. Text box height will be a small. MD will be little. By default is a medium. Right, hope written. Let's come now. We can create one more file. Form1.html. Form1.html. Close the div. Follow the body tag. Follow the HTML tag. Form1.html. Now follow a division class row, follow a division, class call hyphen lj hyphen 4, 4 and 4. Okay, go to the middle 4. Inside the middle 4, write h3, form control example. Form control example. Come down below, write a division, class equal to MB3. MB3 what it represent? Margin bottom how much? 16%. Keep a label. We'll call full line. And create a text box. Input type equal to text, and class equal to form hyphen control. Class equal to form control. Create the text box. Check now how that look. Look like this. Well organized text box automatically. Okay, so we'll work on form part tomorrow. We'll design different type of form. We'll get very good idea.
Recording.